Hi everyone, it's Frances again from York County Library here in South Carolina. Summer Learning Challenge is upon us, and this summer's theme is Tails and Tales. So we will be featuring take and make crafts of all kinds of animals that have tails. So today's project here is a movable lizard. Isn't it cute? This one does not have a decorated body. This one I embellished with a little bit of crayon work, which you could do as well. So I'm going to show you how to make it. Let's get started. In your take and make activity bag is everything you need to make this movable lizard. There is an instruction sheet, some activity sheets for fun. You'll have a little bag with all the pieces, parts. You will have to cut most of them out. You'll have a piece of green paper, a glue stick. You'll need scissors, pencil, and ruler. So, here we go. First thing you're going to do is take your paper, fold it in half like this. Then unfold it. Then you are going to draw a line from the top of the fold down to the corner at the bottom. Then there you have fold and cut along that line. So these two pieces you don't need. Now, you're going to fold each side into the fold line at the middle, like that, and then do the other side. So you have a shape like that. Now, if you want to decorate it, unfold it and make circles or squares or just color with crayons or markers if you like. Now, fold it in half like so. Scissors. You're going to cut about 1/2 inch apart from the fold to this crease. So you're going to cut right up to where it was folded. And you're going to do that all the way down until you get close to the end. Now remember, don't cut past that crease. Doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't matter if they're not all exactly the same width. Then when you get down close to the end, you want to stop about 1 inch or 2 from what will be the tail. Then you're going to put glue on one of these. Doesn't matter which side, but on one side, you put glue. Then you're going to fold the other one over, like so, and then press down. And what you can do is kind of go along like this and press to make sure that it sticks well. have the body. See how easy that was? Now, this is lizard's mouth. You'll have to cut yours out. Mine's already cut. Fold it in half. And you've got 4 legs, 2 yellow eyes, 2 little black circles for the pupils. So I'm going to go ahead and glue the black on so I don't lose the little pieces. So there are the eyes. And there's the tongue. This one I didn't cut, so I'm going to cut it now. And what I did to make mine a little bit more fun was I'm going to fold back just a little bit there. And if you know how to curl ribbon or paper, you take your scissors, kind of like that, and it makes it curl. So I curled it that way, and I curled the tip that way. So I'm going to glue my tongue, not my tongue, my lizard's tongue, into the mouth, like so. And then what I did is I put a little bit of glue on the bottom of the curl. Also, go ahead and glue the eyes onto the top of the lizard's head any way you want to. You can make silly looking if you like. And I'm going to glue front leg. The legs are all the same, but the legs at the front, and you can put them anywhere you like. So there's front legs. Oops. Sometimes when you get glue on your fingers, things want to stick to your fingers and not to where you want them to go. Now the back legs are going to go like this. Now, I'm going to put some glue right along here on the bottom of the head, and then slide that just inside the body. And you might need to, this one's a little bit wide, so I'm going to trim off just a little sliver on each side. There you have it, your movable lizard. Good job, everyone. See you next week with another craft.